Have you ever wanted to have a casual gambling session with your friends or families and realize you don't have the chips to play the game? Have you ever felt like you're winning the whole night, then to realize you blew all your winning to that one lucky friend that 满台自摸 on the mahjong table? Fear not, as Los Pollos Hermanos is introducing High Roller, a cross-platform application which is a one-stop solution to track your gambling games and winnings. It will support games such as Mahjong, Blackjack, Poker, and many more to come, which will be made available on iOS, Android, and on the web. Stay tuned for the exciting application development, which enables you to be the next gambling god in town. Now I'm going to introduce you to High Roller, which is an app that helps you to track your winnings in your gambling games. So there's two modes where you can have to start new game and join game. We'll start with a new game first. Under new game you can type your name in. For example, I put YY here, then my starting amount will be maybe 500. Then let's say we want to play the traditional Chinese game Mahjong, then we'll click Mahjong here, then we press done. Here we can select different mode, which is the regular mode, 365 1251. We'll click 36 here, and the tie limit, which limits how much multiplier you want to set in the game. Now we are brought to the game. This is the Mahjong mode with the game code on top, 783BV, which allows other people to join. We are now in an existing game with me, YY, as the player, and other player 2, 3, and 4 on other devices, and we will showcase some basic functionality when in the Mahjong mode. So how does a Mahjong game normally works? A Mahjong game normally works through people feeding tiles to each other. For example, if player 2 discarded the final tile that YY needs, then for me, YY, I just have to click this button, declare victory. Then according to the hand that I formed, I just have to choose the corresponding tie here. For example, if player 2 feed me 3 tie, I just have to click here 3 tie, then which is not self-drawn, and pick the player that have discarded the tile. In this case, is player 2, then I have to press OK after that. Then we can see that it reflects in the number of chips that I've gained. From 500, it jumped to 511, which is exactly the 3 tie that I have gained from player 2. There's also other actions such as pay button, which is a instantaneous transaction, which allows us to pay for those small money that we gain from animal bite and flower bite. Yep. Next, I will be showcasing the second game mode that High Roller has to offer, which is the Blackjack game mode. Under the Blackjack game mode, there's a slider allowing you to choose the value of the card that has been dealt to you after every game, ranging from 16 to bust. For example, if I'm as a banker and I got 17 and loses to all of the players, I just have to use 17 here and press settle the round. And let's say we pay out 40 chips total to all the players, just have to press 40 and press OK. And here you can see the chips value went down from 500 to 40. There's also a blackjack option that allows for instantaneous payout when you are dealt with a hand. Also, there's a change banker function which allows you to change banker from you to one of the friend in the game. And now you see we have turned into a player from a banker. And that's how this blackjack mode is run. Lastly, you also can join existing games that have been created by your friends through this join game button at the menu. You just have to simply press the join game, enter your name, the existing game code, and press done. And now you are currently inside another game created by another devices. So this practically sums up all the features of our app, and I hope you enjoy what High Rollers have to offer to you. Thank you.